Good morning, primary school. This is iNews. It's Friday, October 26th, and it's also Pink My ISHCMC and World Pumpkin Day. I'm Olivia
and I'm Vilde. Here are your morning announcements. This morning, to support Pink My ISHCMC, we had Pink Mindfulness and Zumba on the field. Check it out.
And we'll start by taking a couple of deep. And just notice, are you moving with deep breath in and out? As we give them our loving kindness wish. Follow us, okay?
Grade 1 classes will be hosting guests to their community from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m.
This morning, the upper primary assembly is hosted by Studio 4 in the MPI at 9:50 a.m. to 10:30 a.m.
This weekend, the StingRays will be competing in the UNIS invitational summit in Hanoi. Good luck, StingRays!
Halloween is coming to ISHCMC on Wednesday, October 31st. Students are encouraged to dress up on the day as we will have a costume parade. Work with your parents to create your costume. Please, no weapons and scary masks.
Compost Forces Unite. We are happy to announce that we will be launching our composting program this week. We are looking for grade levels to sign up for a week to help with composting. Sign up on My ISHCMC.
Grade 3 Games Carnival will be starting next Tuesday, October 30th. Please go to My ISHCMC for instruction on how to sign up. Come and play.
Makerspace during morning recess today is for grade 1, 2, and 3 students.
Joke of the day. Why was it so hot in the stadium after soccer game?
Why?
Because all the fans left.
Random fact of the day. The smallest monkey is about as tall as a toothbrush.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, don't look for big things. Just do the small things with great love. Mother Teresa.
That's it for today's morning announcement. Have a fabulous Pink My ISHCMC Friday.